It seems there's no rest for Senator Manny Pacquiao after winning his title bout against Jesse Vargas. Pacquiao arrived at NAIA Terminal 1 on Tuesday morning alongside with his coaching staff and friends. President Duterte's allies such as House Speaker Bebot Alvarez and PNP Chief Bato de la Rosa are also there. The People's Champ proudly hoisted his WBO welterweight title belt in front of the media and airport staff. He also thanked his fans for their unwavering support and prayers. The same goes to President Duterte. Pacquiao didn't also expect the Thomas and Mack Center, the venue of the fight, would get a full house.
Salamat sa dasal at suporta. Ito, nakabalik agad galing sa fight dahil may trabaho sa office.
On the question on whether a rematch with undefeated American boxer Floyd Mayweather is possible, here's his answer.
Hindi pa pinag-usapan. Pero posible pa rin. Posible pa rin. Pag magbalik siya, nag-retire na siya eh.
Mayweather was spotted at the ringside watching Pacquiao's fight. The senator also thanked Mayweather for responding to his invitation. Now, Pacquiao will attend today's Senate session. He says he will set aside first his boxing duties. He will instead participate in the budget hearings and work on his priority bills, particularly on sports. Rex Remitio, CNN Philippines.